Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Limb. Limb. Limb means arm or leg. For example, I am in between shifts at my desk, stretching my limbs. I am in between shifts at my desk, stretching my limbs. Synonyms: arm, leg. Line up. Line up. Line up means group of people or things brought together for particular purpose. For example, a talented batting lineup. A talented batting lineup. Synonyms: list of performers, list, listing. 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 Listing means list or catalog. For example, there are also several other listings on the web. There are also several other listings on the web. Synonyms: catalog, inventory, record. Literacy. Literacy. Literacy means ability to read and write. For example, tests of literacy and numeracy. Tests of literacy and numeracy. Synonyms: ability to read and write, reading ability, writing ability. Liver. Liver. Liver means large organ in vertebrates. For example, cholesterol may accumulate in the liver. Cholesterol may accumulate in the liver. Lobby. Lobby. Lobby means room out of which others lead. For example, they went into the hotel lobby. They went into the hotel lobby. Synonyms: entrance hall, hallway, hall. Log. Log. Log means part of tree. For example, she tripped over a fallen log. She tripped over a fallen log. Synonyms: chunk of wood, branch, tree trunk. Loop. Loop. Loop means curve bending round and crossing itself. For example, make a loop in the twine. Make a loop in the twine. Synonyms: bend, curve, kink. Machinery. Machinery. Machinery means machines collectively. For example, farm machinery. Farm machinery. Synonyms: equipment, apparatus, hardware. Magistrate. Magistrate. Magistrate means civil officer who administers law. For example, Swindon magistrates remanded him in custody and committed the case to Crown Court. Swindon magistrates remanded him in custody and committed the case to Crown Court. Synonyms: judge, magistrate, Her Honor. Magnitude. Magnitude. Magnitude means great extent. For example, they may feel discouraged at the magnitude of the task before them. They may feel discouraged at the magnitude of the task before them. Synonyms: immensity, vastness, hugeness. Mainland. Mainland. Mainland means large continuous extent of land that includes greater part of country or territory. For example, the mainland of Europe. The mainland of Europe. Synonyms: mainland. Mainstream. Mainstream. Mainstream means conventional ideas or activities. For example, companies that are bringing computers to the mainstream of American life. Companies that are bringing computers to the mainstream of American life. Maintenance. Maintenance. Maintenance means process of preserving. For example, we support local initiatives that ensure the maintenance of community spirit. We support local initiatives that ensure the maintenance of community spirit. Synonyms: preservation, conservation, continuation. Mandate. Mandate. Mandate means official order. For example, a mandate to seek the release of political prisoners. A mandate to seek the release of political prisoners. Synonyms: instruction, directive, direction. Manipulation. Manipulation. Manipulation means action of manipulating something in skillful manner. For example, the format allows fast picture manipulation. The format allows fast picture manipulation. Manuscript. Manuscript. Manuscript means book, document, or piece of music written by hand rather than typed or printed. For example, an illuminated manuscript. An illuminated manuscript. Synonyms: document, text, script. March. March. March means act of marching. For example, the relieving force was more than a day's march away. The relieving force was more than a day's march away. Synonyms: hike, trek, tramp. Marketplace. Marketplace. Marketplace means open space where market as or was formerly held. For example, the quaint cobbled marketplace. The quaint cobbled marketplace. Mask. Mask. Mask means facial covering. For example, two other men, both wearing masks, then jumped in. Two other men, both wearing masks, then jumped in. Synonyms: disguise, veil, false face.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.